A girl loved planting flowers like roses, sunflowers, lilies, and tulips. She watered them daily, watching them grow. Her garden flourished, filled with colorful flowers day by day. One afternoon, resting on the garden bench, she heard voices. Curious, she looked around but saw no one. She listened intently and realized her roses were speaking. Roses chatted with lilies, tulips, and sunflowers. Amazed, she found joy in this magical moment. She started talking to her flowers each day. A deep bond formed between her and the blooms. Her garden became a place of love and conversation. The flowers shared secrets and stories with her. She felt connected to nature in a unique way. The garden transformed into a haven of friendship. Their whispers brought her peace and delight. Every bloom had a tale to share with her.